Sea-doos, guys. We're chilling by the beach, and I had to turn the camera on because I heard the sound of something very beastie, something enormous. One of my favorite cars, Shelby Cobra. He's a good Mustang driver. Doesn't peel out. Mind you, I wouldn't want to be cheated, but in the city, I'm pretty sure he beats the hell out of that thing. I would too. And what? Say hello to the vlogs, Dave. Hi, Dave.
Hi.
Dave's not home right now. Please leave a message.
Oh, so close.
Mom.
Yes, Mom.
Hey,
I'll kill
Dave's
you.
walking here with a bucket. If he hits me with that bucket, I swear I will fucking pick him up and
Get
I'll
out.
throw him out.
I got my cell
Get
phone
out.
and stuff. If I get wet, even a drop, you'll die. I'm telling you, you'll die. Stop! I got my stuff here.
Dave's gonna get it. Just for that attempt, he's gonna get it. I'm gonna prank him and I'm gonna throw an egg on his head or something. That I will do. I'll throw an egg on his head. Smash the like button right now. And I will smash, and I'll do it. I'll fucking put 2, 3 eggs. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna throw an egg.
I'll
just
even
for that.
help. I'll grab his legs. The guy's dead.
When we get back to the cottage, I will throw an egg. As long as you guys like this vlog, I will smash 1, 2, depending how many attempts he does, I will throw an egg every time. 1 attempt, 1 egg, right on top of his head. Bam. I got to the beach, guys. Kids are having fun, but I got this headache all of a sudden, and I really don't feel like going in the water. Kids are just shallow, like they're not too far out, but I don't know. I don't know how it was a coffee today, and that's it. But I feel like my head is killing me. But I'm definitely, if you can see all the way down in the water there is trampoline in the water. That I'm definitely going on. Whether I have a headache or not, that was a nice bet. But I'm definitely going on a trampoline. I don't care. Put a life vest on, I'm going to do some tricks, I'm going to do some jumps off of it into the water, and I'm going to record it all. So, we'll see what happens. Whatever the next part of my day goes, I'll let you guys know. Hi guys. Samantha, why don't you get in here too?
I can't get out. I'm stuck.
Well, then you can sleep here tonight with the fishes. Ooh, Samantha, you gonna get in too? Dave's not gonna go in the dirt.
Yeah, I know. That's not happening. If Daddy goes in, maybe I cover him up. Ask Daddy to go there, I cover him. They're not
So, Sophia, did you have fun?
Kind of.
Are you gonna come on the trampoline with me later?
Maybe.
I think you are. We're gonna videotape it, and we're gonna wrestle on it.
This is not WWE.
Could be. I got a title. I'm the champ. I'm gonna show you guys this mansion right on the front. The story behind this mansion, cottage, is they bought 3 lots, tore all 3 houses down, and brought one big one together. Watch this. That's it there. Got all these bushes right in front. Got a nice big tree. I guess for shade and all that. This place is humongous. And I actually just found out recently, they rent this out. It's like $5,000 per week to be here. Look. 2-car garage.
Hey guys, me Sophie the Diva here again. And today we're having a barbecue. And we're having like hot dogs, chicken, hamburgers, and all my favorite ribs. Ribs. Why are you having ribs? I know how it is.
Mommy's almost 40. 39.
This is bleh, ready? That's what I think of that. They're donkeys. Surely they're a bunch of donkeys. Got some basketball. Oh. Who wants a shot at the champ of air hockey? Yeah, who wants it? Champ is here. You ready, Samantha? She's not getting in my car, that's for damn sure. You got third place.
Be a superhero.
Some tricks? Alright guys, I hope you liked that vlog. I somewhere fell asleep through the rest of the day to take a nap. We had some supper, not much after that. I didn't get to go on the trampoline. I didn't get to do the smashing of the egg, but I want you guys to comment down below. He's coming back for another day at the beach, and I want you guys to comment. If you want me to smash an egg on his head, comment down, hashtag smash it, or smash it on his head, whatever you want, I'll see them. I want you guys to comment down below. Whoever watches it, comment if you want me to do it. If you do it, I will get him in a couple days when he comes back. I promise. I know if you guys want to see it, I will do it. So, with that being said, like, subscribe, comment, follow all my social media, which will be down below. Yeah. Oh yeah, should I end it off the way I normally do on my abandoned? Let's get it! You do it, Samantha, watch out, Jules. Try again, Samantha. Here. Throw up on the other ball. Ready? Go. Samantha, watch like this. Ready? Here, watch this one. Throw it at that one. No. Go, do it again, hit them. Here, hit this one, Samantha. Go. Good job. Oh, it's all done. All done.